delicious.
Join us as we unveil the meticulous process that
Transforms fresh cherries into the world's finest.
Our journey begins in the sprawling cherry orchards, where nature's jewels ripen under the sun. Cherries mature slowly, developing their vibrant color and sweet flavor.
Harvesting is done with care to preserve the delicate fruit.
Collected cherries are gathered and prepared for initial sorting.
Transporting cherries promptly preserves freshness and quality. Initial sorting ensures only the best cherries proceed to processing. Preparation ensures efficient and thorough sorting.
Each cherry's texture and color reflect its quality and ripeness.
Weather monitoring helps optimize harvest timing and quality.
As the day ends, the orchard rests, ready for the next step in the cherry's journey.
Initial sorting in the field removes damaged or unripe cherries, ensuring only the best proceed. Skilled hands sort cherries to maintain premium quality. Refrigerated trucks ensure cherries remain fresh from orchard to processing facility. Sorted cherries are carefully packed to preserve freshness during transport.
Proper loading techniques protect cherries during transportation.
Freshly sorted cherries begin their journey to the processing facility.
The receiving area is ready to handle the delicate fruit with care. Cherries are carefully transferred to maintain quality and freshness. With cherries safely delivered, the next phase of processing begins.
Initial quality checks ensure only the best cherries enter processing.
Fresh cherries arrive at the processing plant, ready for thorough quality inspection.
Each crate is handled with care to preserve the delicate fruit inside. Cherries are spread out for detailed visual inspection under optimal lighting.
Skilled workers separate premium cherries from those requiring further processing.
Advanced technology complements manual inspection to ensure consistent quality. Foreign objects are swiftly identified and removed to guarantee safety.
Inspection data is meticulously recorded for traceability and quality control.
Supervisors analyze data to maintain the highest standards.
Approved cherries move forward for thorough cleaning and sanitization. With quality assured, cherries are prepared for the next stage of processing.
Cherries undergo rigorous industrial washing to remove dirt, dust, and impurities.
High-pressure jets ensure every cherry is thoroughly cleaned. Sanitizing baths eliminate harmful microorganisms, ensuring food safety.
Rinsing removes any residual sanitizing agents, leaving cherries fresh and clean.
Drying prepares cherries for moisture control and further processing. Continuous quality checks ensure washing effectiveness and safety. Clean cherries are transported carefully to the next stage of processing. With washing and sanitizing complete, cherries are ready for drying and grading.
In the pitting facility, cherries are carefully processed to remove seeds while preserving fruit integrity.
Advanced machinery ensures efficient and gentle seed removal.
Seeds are separated cleanly, preserving the quality of the cherries. Manual inspection ensures only the finest pitted cherries proceed.
Fruit preparation machines refine cherries for optimal drying and presentation.
Prepared cherries are transported carefully to maintain freshness and quality.
Regular quality checks guarantee premium standards.
Careful packaging preserves freshness and quality.
Continuous monitoring ensures optimal machine performance. With pitting and preparation complete, cherries are ready for drying and final processing.
Pre-treatment prepares cherries for drying, preserving their vibrant color and natural texture. Natural solutions penetrate the fruit, locking in color and flavor.
Precise control guarantees consistent and effective pre-treatment.
After pre-treatment, cherries are carefully moved to drying stations.
Treated cherries retain their appealing color throughout drying. Controlled drying preserves quality and extends shelf life. Continuous quality checks ensure optimal results. Treated cherries are transported carefully for dehydration. With pre-treatment complete, cherries are ready for controlled drying and dehydration.
Pre-treated cherries enter controlled drying tunnels, where moisture is carefully reduced to preserve quality and flavor.
Uniform drying prevents spoilage and maintains the cherries' natural sweetness.
Experts continuously monitor moisture levels to ensure optimal drying.
Advanced automation maintains precise environmental conditions throughout the drying process. Non-invasive sensors measure moisture content to guarantee quality without damaging the fruit. Airflow circulation accelerates drying while preserving the cherries' texture and flavor. Regular sampling ensures every batch meets strict moisture standards. Once dried, cherries are transported carefully to maintain their quality. Proper storage conditions lock in freshness until cherries move to grading and packaging. Proper storage conditions lock in freshness until cherries move to grading and packaging. With moisture perfectly controlled, cherries are ready for sorting, grading, and packaging.
After drying, cherries are sorted and graded to ensure uniform quality and size.
Advanced optical sorting technology identifies and removes defective fruit.
Air jets precisely separate cherries by grade, maintaining product consistency.
Manual inspection complements automation to guarantee top quality.
Data-driven sorting ensures consistent quality across every batch.
Sorted cherries are carefully transported to packaging lines. Each grade meets specific standards for size, color, and quality.
Our sorting facility combines cutting-edge technology with skilled oversight.
Regular sampling ensures every grade meets our strict quality criteria.
With sorting and grading complete, cherries are ready for packaging and delivery.
Ensuring food safety is paramount. Our state-of-the-art laboratory rigorously tests cherries for contaminants and quality.
Metal detectors identify and remove any foreign particles to guarantee product safety. Samples are meticulously prepared to detect any microbial contamination.
Cutting-edge technology ensures every batch meets strict safety standards.
Only cherries that pass rigorous testing proceed to packaging. All testing data is securely logged for transparency and compliance. Automated systems swiftly remove any contaminated products to protect consumers. Final inspections ensure every cherry meets our premium standards.
With safety assured, cherries are ready for packaging and delivery.
Our advanced packaging line ensures every bag of premium cherries is filled, sealed, and labeled with care. Precision filling guarantees consistent weight and quality in every package. Sealing locks in freshness, protecting cherries from moisture and air. Our labeling system ensures every package is clearly branded and ready for the market. Automated quality checks guarantee every package meets our strict standards. Skilled operators ensure smooth operation and immediate response to any issues. Finished packages are transported efficiently for final storage and shipment. Careful handling ensures products reach customers in perfect condition. Our premium cherries begin their journey to markets around the world. Finally, our premium cherries reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed worldwide.
Yes. From the first blossom to the final package, every step reflects our unwavering commitment